Right, here we go at 426, and we got the big bellwether Apple up on deck for the earnings. And Panera Bread reported, but all eyes right here. This is just a little preview. You can see where the bid and ask is. I'm going to put up the tick chart here so that you can see the tick chart. 555 up to 564, but we don't have any knee-jerk reaction yet, so anyway, we're on standby, and we have limit orders well below the market. This is live after hours. This is live now. Here you go. Here you go. It's going up to 580. It's ripping right now in after hours. That's at 580 with the close. That's a $20 hook. I've got shorts out at 590. But listen, I got to find out what that number is. Honk, honk, honk. Look at that baby drop back down. There it is. It hit right there at that 580 where it was the other day. I don't have a number yet. All right. Preliminary 1230 versus 1004. Revs of 39.2 billion versus 36.7. So they delivered. They delivered. They delivered. They delivered. Keep the short out at. The stock is moving, but we don't know what the earnings guidance is going to be, but they did beat that number. That's the preliminary number. It's a long ways from the short. Okay? You're $15 away from getting hit. So, this way here, they see Q3 of 868. Not good. Get ready to short that shit when it gets all the way up there, because I'm looking at 868 versus 995. 34 billion they're going to come in versus coming in at 37.4. That's a miss. There's going to be a lot more to the number. I'll post it in here in the room. And that means that the short that we have out is right below $600. And if you want to be optimistic about it, you can be optimistic all day. There's nothing to be optimistic in that number other than. So there is it is. Here we go. We got that super at 2.5 delta gap, 592, 560. Remember, it's $20 above the close. They're only bringing it back to where the selling had started on this report. There's going to be a lot of controversy to the earnings. A lot of people short going on it. And the thing about it is, it's going to set up some great trading opportunities for tomorrow. Once again, I've got Tommy and those guys. They got some calls up and out of the money at 580s anyways. And they got some shares long off the bottom because that's the instructions given. And we got shorts out. We're coming up to it. So here's that move right now, and we'll update you later on the conference call. We'll be coming out. And once again, the stock had sold down into the report, and it's still in its overall ranges. Yeah, it'll give a little bit of a bull thing, but once you really get into forward-looking sustainability, sorry, bull, you ain't going to pull this one off. The people that put $1,000 price target on it, they're wrong. And let me tell you another thing. The lower revenues, you don't want to see lower revenues. It's just that people had anticipated it. The short sellers are coming out in after hours. That's what this is about. So, once again, it's all about one thing. Cancel that short and go up to 602.50.